There's a scene in The Godfather that really irks me. It's Don Corleone in his garden with his grandson Anthony. Remember? The Don sticks an orange peel in his mouth and scares the bejesus out of Michael's son. Michael's son Anthony, Frady Cat. Not like the old man. Not really Corleone material. Think about it. So the Don, he's played in hide and go seek with Anthony, right? Which is difficult for the Don because he's as big as the moon. So he's playing around and he collapses and the kid runs off. Does Anthony get help? No. Anthony deliberately tells no one. He's thinking in his head, my no-no is Pazzo. Let him die in the garden. Right? Because Anthony, he didn't want to get involved in the family business. He told Serpico and Annie Hall, I don't want to be part of the business. Right? So now the Don, he's lying in the garden 2-3 hours with no aid. Nobody comes out to help him because Anthony, he's not a good kid, right? So 6 hours later, they find the Don dead. Why? Because the grandson's a fraidy cat. Doesn't want to be part of the family business. Doesn't like his no-no. Let me ask you something. What kind of kid doesn't like his no-no, huh? Well, I'll tell you. A rotten kid, Anthony. A rotten kid. So now, the Don's dead. Dead as a doorknob. And this changes everything, Anthony. Oh, it does. You didn't think this through, did you? Now, your father, Michael Corleone, he's got to get into the family business. It's not going to be Fredo. It's going to be your father. And is your father happy about it? I don't think so. And maybe the problem, Anthony, is you fraidy cat. Don't love your no-no. Next week, I'll pinpoint the exact moment when Jack Nicholson became Jack and stopped being an actor. Ci vediamo.